Yo, we back. You know who it is. Been a little minute. Got a little shoe I've been waiting, not even a shoe, a little slide I've been waiting on for a good little while. The Nike Calm slide. This shit, bro, I don't know. I've been waiting on this shit for like some months. When I first heard about them, looked them up, said they were coming out July 14th. July 14th rolled around, I be damn, them bitches ain't out. Other people got them, paying for them early. You know, I ain't doing all that. I ain't finna pay over retail for no shit. So I happened to just get a notification last week, phone on silent, but I felt the vibration. I woke up, said them bitches was available, the black ones. It's okay. Went on ahead, copped, man. Been wanting them for a while. The shoes, I ordered them, the slides, I'm sorry. Yeah, I ordered the slides Tuesday, and they were supposed to come actually today, which is Tuesday the 8th, but they came Friday. So this video actually should have been out, but then got a job, then got to work. Unfortunately, it's tough, but we here now. So let's take a look at these motherfuckers real quick, man. Nike Calm slide. I've got these bitches in an 11. I wear a 10 and a half, but what the fuck is that? Got a little manufacturer's debris left on here, like some glue or some shit. But there's one. There's two. There they go. Let's see, we're gonna have to get a screenshot. Yeah, that's enough of that. You see them? See how they look? I don't really know what to say about them. Let's try these motherfuckers on. I'm probably trying to just wear these bitches today. Break them in a little bit. Excuse my poor living conditions. It's rough, you know what I'm saying? We ain't got it. But look at that, let's see now. Okay. How that look though? You know? This the 11 right here. Don't forget, this the 11. So come on now. They kinda straight now. To me. I fuck with them. You know, even with an 11, my toe right there. They ain't as soft. I have heard people say they ain't as soft as the Yeezys. They certainly ain't. It ain't bad, you know what I'm saying? It's like a little sturdy. You know what I'm saying? A little sturdy. Nothing wrong with that. I fuck with them, bro. Yeah. So yeah, man, that was just a little quick, very quick unboxing, on feet review of the Nike Calm slides. This might be the least effort I put into a little shoe review. Times is hard, bro. We struggling. It's hard to maintain. It's hard to keep pushing. It's hard to keep trying. But we trying though. We coming. We got more shit coming. Might have a little DC vlog coming. Me and Serge got a pod coming. Be on the lookout. Fuck with us when it drop. If you don't fuck with us when it drop, guess what, nigga? It's over for you niggas. Either way, I'll catch y'all next time.